Ladies and gentlemen, and this is ICO reviews, and today I'll be giving you the review for anything, anything.app. Now, what they plan to do is they will have an app where you can have, if you have any question, you can search for it. When you go to google.com and you search information about it, it's going to give you different websites that has information about that, or different blog. Some of this information may not be so accurate, some may be accurate and not all the rest. But in anything.app, what they plan to do is you will not just be reading a blog page, but rather you'll be talking to someone who is experienced in that field. Let's say you have a problem with your landlord and you need a lawyer and you need an advice on how to go about legal matters. All you need to do is just to type such information on the app. Then it gives you the list of lawyers or people who have experience in legal matters, and you chat up with them. They give you advice. Then you can pay or contribute to them by using the token. So it's a kind of a search engine, but what is that? Like you are consulting someone. You're actually getting help from someone, not just from a blog page or from a website. Now, let's watch the video that explains that. We're going to play the video.
I'm Lucy. I'm here to introduce you to the Anything app. The internet is super helpful, but sometimes it's much easier to just talk to a person, don't you think? That's the Anything app. With Anything, you can easily find the right person and connect immediately, essentially buying a little bit of that person's time. With the Anything app, everyone can make themselves available to help other people over the phone. We set a price per minute, or help for free. There's video calling, calls, and chat. Because of the video function, you can get help buying clothing, look at a broken toilet together with the plumber, get flirting tips, and so on. But Anything also helps with quick access to lawyers, buying the right bottle of wine, or finding someone to talk to when you need a chat. Anything can be found on Anything app. Everyone on the app is a normal person just like you. Anybody can help other people over the phone. In fact, everybody should. It's simply picking up the phone, helping someone with your profession or passion, and getting paid for every minute of your time. People already have the knowledge. All they have to do is sign up once. And when they need a hand, you can always find the right person on Anything app. Custom advice in your pocket. We're planning on creating the best human assistance network in Southeast Asia. The AnyCoin is used as a method of payment on the app. Fiat is there too, so we can cater to everyone. With AnyCoin, calls become cheaper. You unlock cross-border calling, advertising, and more. Also, did you know our second app using AnyCoin is already in the pipeline? Thanks to the Anything app, anyone has the opportunity to start making money and start saving time. And everybody wants that. That's the Anything app.
So once again, welcome to Anything. So AnyCoin will be available to use. Let's scroll down a little and check the team behind AnyCoin or anything.app. You can see the formation here for their pre-sale and second phase of their main sale. It starts on June 11 and end in July 1 and July 14 here, and the phase to end in August 13. At least this video will be able to prepare you to make a lot of research about it and to be able to ready to get your coin if you choose to. Now, this is the CEO and co-founder Ludwig's. I don't know if I can pronounce his name very well. And these are the guys behind it, and you can see the advisors behind it. One thing I found interesting is this guy has a video on YouTube itself, and this is the guy. You can see him. This is the name, and this is the guy. So I can just play you a little of his video.
It is a good thing. More money is a good thing, and it's nice if you have other people to help you solve your problems. Going with the Anything app search engine, you get your answers right now, rather than giving you your usual.
So I really like when an ICO as member of their team member creating a video, not just showing their picture, but they have a video. You can see them; they are real to you. So the thought of they exist coming will be turned to almost nothing or zero on your mind. So I like this, and many more ICOs are doing that, showing their team member of the video or having a webinar or their CEO and all the rest. Um, let's go to their white paper. I checked through the white paper, and your free time you can check through the white paper. One thing I find I really like about the white paper is well detailed, and the white paper is 100% unique. Is not plagiarized. They didn't do a copy and paste from you. Some ICO they do that a lot. You just go to the different ICO that existed like 3 or 4 months ago. They just copy the white paper and just put it on their own ICO. But this is unique. This is just their own. It shows originality and it shows seriousness on their part. Now let's go to ICO bench. Now they have 4.4 rating and 4.94 ICO profile, 4.0 for team, division 4.5, product 3.7. And you can see it's starting 6 day time, that's the pre-ICO. So the number we're talking is earning. The price is 4 cents. The platform is Ethereum. Minimum you can invest is $10. The ad cap is 6.4 million. They are from Netherlands. You need a KYC for this. Know your customer. That means you will have to submit like your data page of your national passport or your driver license issued by your country. Citizens of Iran, Iraq, Cuba, Syria, South Sudan, and Crimea. If you don't know Crimea is a territory owned by Ukraine, but Russia took over it. So whether it's Russia or Ukraine, it's not. I'm not into politics. It's none of my business. So anyway, this is Crimea. Currently, it's controlled by Russia. So anyone who lives in Crimea currently may not be able to get involved in it. And North Korea, Seychelles, Latvia, and USA. So these are the citizens of countries that are not allowed to purchase this token or get involved in the ICO. Now, one more thing I find interesting, I really like, is that their Telegram. Most of the ICOs on their Telegram, they have admin, someone they employ like freelancer who handles questions and all the rest and queries from people who want to invest in the ICO or their investors. But anything what it is, but member of their team member are even the admin. I'm sure that is for now, it won't be for a long time. They are asking questions. Like today, I was able to chat up with the CEO himself. So I can show you the proof little. This is the CEO. I mean, we chat up today, and this is the WhatsApp anything app. You can see the WhatsApp here. So I mean the Telegram. I mean Telegram. So once you join, you can ask any questions you have and all the rest, and they will reply you. So it's nice. I really like the idea that people who or investors like you and I can chat up with member of their team members, and you'll be able to talk to them, ask any question. Now you can imagine if 6,666 members are already using the Telegram group. That is huge. That is among us. 66,000. Some ICOs are just 10,000, 5,000, and all the rest. But the Telegram is huge. It is huge. Now, the other thing I don't really like a little about here is when I check their who is, you register on the 5th or on the 4th of May 2018. That is this year. Just like a month ago, they registered, and it will expire next year. So based on what I have here now, I don't like when I see you register their website for just 1 year. Even the next door guy who has a blog has this blog for 3 years, and we're talking about ICOs that also raise millions of dollars. So you should invest more on your platform. So when an ICO is staying for 3 years hosting plan, it gives you more confidence. But I will just overlook this. I overlook this because the team member are real. They are people you know they exist, and if they have a video, you can see their face, so they are not going anywhere as far as I know. So I believe anything .app or anything I see will be a great one. I just hope these guys really keep to their promise, create the app. The app is on the pipeline, but they create the app. People will be able to talk to someone who they need help with, talk to lawyers and all the rest, and chat them or even call them. I'm sure the app will be a huge one, and people will really love to use the app. So I'm really waiting for these guys to keep to their promise, and I believe this ICO should be a good one. I love it personally, and I think I'll go into it. I believe I'll really go into it. I love the ICO. I love the concept and everything. So if I'm going to rate it, I'm going to rate it 9.5 over 10. 9.5 over 10. The team, the website, and everything is okay. So, but remember, this is not a paid review. I did not receive a cent from the developer for making this review. I'm doing it for this guy, for all of you guys. So it's not a paid review, and I'm not your financial advisor. Make your decision. Whatever decision you make is up to you, and you should be responsible for your own decision. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, like my video, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you a million times. And until next time, this is ICO Reviews.